Hey people, how you doing? Welcome back. Axtuo back at me. I got this 2017 Nissan Rogue. Guess what we're gonna do now? Yeah, that's right. We're gonna do the alternator. Alright. Pretty much this baby right here. And as you should know, we're gonna do the battery first. We're gonna disconnect the battery first, 10mm. Either should do it. Positive, negative. You can do both. It's all good. Alright. Okay. Alright, ready, set, go. Should do it. I'm gonna move this guy. Just like that. Should be Gucci. Like this. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Because okay. But we still figure out if we're gonna maybe we'll do this one. I should do it. I have to push it on the side a little bit. This guy right here. Bracket, it's all good. That bracket is all good. Right here, this guy connector. It's a little bit brittle. Let's spray some WD for you. Right? Just gonna squeeze it here. Pull it back. Squeeze it here. Pause. Then this guy right here. That look like a 12. Come through with the 12. Gucci. So I have more space. I'm gonna remove the neck of the windshield fluid reservoir. Like so. So there's two ways to remove the serpentine. By cutting it, or using the tensioner, which is right below this pulley right here. Alright. I just got it. Alright. On to the next one. Now here, I do this guy right here. And this guy right here. The 14mm here, 14mm right here. It's coming out. There's in length. Right. Now we need to pry this guy. I'll come through over here. Pry the alternator. Like so. Okay. So this is the old guy, as you can see. This is from Nissan, okay? It's right here. It's a 17 pulley. This guy right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. 17. You can reach it from the bottom or you can reach it from here if you have the tools. Okay. Time to put the new alternator. So now I'm just gonna put it back. Make sure this guy right here, this guy, you push it back. This guy, you push it back too. With 3/8. Put it like this and hit it. You should have it flat like this, okay? Now you're gonna put it in with no problem. Alright, all Gucci. You know, just put everything back. It goes in reverse. Alright guys, if you wanna do the belt, come to here. There's the guy right here. That guy right there. Okay. And you're gonna need this 17. Okay, it's gonna make it way easier than from the top. Okay, but you gotta remove the tire and the cover, part of it, which is that thing right there. And you gotta push it clockwise, right there. So I will mount it first here, and then continue at the bottom. All right. Now it's everything Gucci. I put everything back, the connectors and all that, then the battery. Everything Gucci over here. You remember we pushed this to the side a little bit, push it back, put it back. Connect the ground, tight it, and that's pretty much it. With Gucci. Oh, don't forget the windshield fluid wash reservoir neck hose. Alright, and that's it.